Hi everyone,
This is Emily.
and this is Cody, and this is Cleaning the EC Way.
Hey everyone, today we're actually going to be talking about cleaning an oven. My oven is a self-cleaning oven by Samsung. I have run the self-cleaning cycle. As you can see, there's still some stuff left on the bottom, and then a lot of stuff got left over on the door. So we're actually going to be talking about a lot of important information regarding self-cleaning ovens.
So we were thinking that we would try different approaches to cleaning this glass. This has already been self-cleaned, so we just wanted to see what water would do on this first section. So this is just a regular sponge and water.
As Cody is cleaning, we're going to discuss the reasons why you should not use oven cleaners or other harmful chemicals on a self-cleaning oven. Self-cleaning ovens actually have what is a heat and acid-resistant porcelain enamel. It is because of this enamel that an oven is able to self-clean. So long-term use of oven cleaners will actually cause damage to the enamel, making it so the self-cleaning option will no longer work correctly. If you have questions on what you can actually use inside of your oven, I would highly suggest visiting the manufacturer of your oven for more information. Cody is actually showing you what he has been able to actually pick up so far.
So this one, I wanted to use water and something more abrasive, so we're using a sponge molly. Let's see how well that does.
And it's nothing but water, right?
Yep, nothing but water. For this section, we're going to use a little bit of Barkeeper's Friend. It's acidic, so it should cut through grease pretty easily. So water and Barkeeper's Friend.
Whenever you are using a cleaning product for the first time, we would highly recommend reading the directions on the back of the bottle. That way you're going to use it correctly and not cause any damage to whatever you are cleaning. Looking at it so far, which we will get you closer before we do a final clean, is the Barkeepers so far has done better. But between the two sponges, the typical household sponge that we first started with is actually did a better job than the Scrub Daddy.
So finally, my favorite way to clean is probably with a razor blade. Whoops. You just have to make sure that the glass is really wet. It can't be a dry cleaning.
And you also have to be gentle when you're using the razor blade. We're going to be cleaning the entire glass now with Barkeeper's Friend and a razor. If you decide to use Barkeeper's Friend, that is awesome because Cody and I actually love it. Just make sure that the type of Barkeeper's Friend that you are using is approved for the type of surface you are cleaning. Ensure that you rinse it thoroughly because leaving any residue behind has the possibility to ruin the surface you are cleaning.
This is going to be rough.
We also got this bad boy.
You know what? I should have been using that one anyway. I think we need some more water, so.
We're rinsing it off with water to remove the barkeeper's friend. Your head?
So it's done.